Hey guys, welcome to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. Today we're going to be making gluten-free and dairy-free ginger cookies. This was my grandpa's favorite. He loved cookies and I'm so happy to make this today. I'm sure he's watching in heaven too. And these are the ingredients that I have for today. I'm going to use 3/4 cup of coconut oil. You know, coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties. It is rich in lauric acid, which the body produces efficiently. A half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to use a tablespoon of flax seeds. I'm going to mix this with hot water to make my egg replacement, and I've showed you this in a previous recipe as well. I'm going to be using half a cup of honey. I'm going to use about 2 cups of gluten-free flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and this ginger juice which you made last week. You can go and refer to the recipe if you need to know how you do this. Cloves is a very strong spice. I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of this and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, let's go ahead and put this all together, and I can't wait to try the cookies. Okay, first in a bowl I got about a tablespoon of flax seeds, and I soaked this in warm water, and I'm going to soak this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I got about 3/4 cups of coconut oil. I just pop this in the microwave real quick to warm this up. So to this, I'm going to go ahead and add the flaxseed mixture. I'm trying to get my wet ingredients together first. About half a cup of honey. And then we're going to go ahead and add this ginger juice over here. Okay, first I'm going to add about 2 cups of gluten-free flour. That's 1 cup. That's 2 cups. Then I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, that's half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to go ahead and use 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then I'm going to go ahead and add about a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Then I'm going to use half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add my wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir this. Okay, I got my dough all mixed together. I went ahead and put some oil in this, and I'm going to first spray this with avocado spray. Okay, I formed the cookies over here. Yeah, some are big and some are small, but I'm just going to let it sit here for about half an hour, and then I'll put it in the oven. Okay, it's been about half an hour, and now I'm going to go ahead and put this in at 325, and I'm going to set this for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, and the cookies are looking so good. Oh my god. And if you want, you can add, I like almond butter, but I like to normally put almond butter over this or make it like a sandwich and then eat it, and oh wow, so good. Thank you guys for watching this gluten-free, dairy-free ginger cookie video. I could immediately taste the cloves, the cinnamon in here too. It's so tasty. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, and subscribe to this channel for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes. Have a great day. Okay, where did all these cookies go? Oh, I ate these too fast.